Hello everyone, I am Risa and this channel is all about evolving, being the better version of ourselves and be great. So there is something we always pay attention or lay emphasis on, how we smell fresh all day, every day, but we hardly think of how to smell fresh all night, every day. That is what I want us to talk about today, how to always smell fresh all night, every day. That is very important. That is your personal time. That is your you time. You want to go to bed smelling fresh, cozy or edible if you're with a boyfriend or your husband. Those are the tips I want to share with you today. Tip number 1, you never want to go to bed unfresh. That is water, your bath. You want to always make sure you shower, have your night shower before going to bed. That helps you sleep good as well. That gives your brain a fresh restart. You sleep so well and you smell so fresh. And while you're having your shower, you want to hit those hot areas. You're down there, you want to make sure you're cleaning your down there so well. You want to make sure you clean your armpits thoroughly, brush your mouth. Like you never want to go to bed with an unfresh mouth. Brush your mouth don't go to bed with an unfresh mouth. Just imagine you eat and you're going to bed without brushing your mouth. That is how you end up with body odor, because the food in your mouth tends to culture bacteria, and before you know it, your mouth is bacteria infested. You start having mouth odor. You don't know where the mouth odor is coming from. So that is something I can't even go to bed without brushing my mouth. Like, hit those hot areas, your mouth, you're down there, your armpit. You want to make sure you clean them thoroughly. Yeah, after having a fresh shower, if you want to smell cozy, edible, I always go in with a scented moisturizer. This Bomb cream, this is so nice. This thing smells so good. This cream, so nice. This makes you smell so good. This Bomb cream, I swear by it, and I don't just go for it. I use it with the spray as well together. You smell like so edible, most especially during winter period. I just got this winter because I've always finished the bottle every winter. This is my go-to to smell so edible. Like, this is my go-to, most especially if you are a gourmand kind of person. You want to smell like a snack near your partner, your boyfriend, you want to smell edible. You want him to eat you up. Just fall in love with this. But during summer period, I always go for fresher fragrances, so I always go for this. This is Chanel Chanson Tendre. This makes you smell so fresh, most especially during a summer period. You just want to smell fresh. This has a very beautiful, it makes you smell so fresh and so welcoming. Like, your partner will want to eat you up. Like, not just your partner, you want to smell fresh and cozy as you go to bed. Or Bath and Body Works has a lot of fresh scents you can use, or depending on your interest, if you want gourmand, like scents that will make you smell edible or fresh, depending on you. There are so many body mists in Bath and Body Works. They are way cheaper that you can get and just have yourself smell fresh. You don't just use fragrances or mist during the day when you're going out. Trust me, when you smell good, get under your sheets, you sleep so well, you feel so good. And yeah, so you equally want to have a deodorant as a fresh girl. This is my vanilla coconut deodorant. I always love to smell edible, so I always go for vanilla kind of scent. Just make sure you're having your deodorant to have you smell fresh always. The last 2 tips are very important, and I'll tell you why. Number 1, you want to make sure you are drinking lots and lots of water. That is the cheapest and easiest thing you find in your house, right? Water helps to cleanse your pores. People who don't drink water end up with body odor. They hardly smell fresh, because trust me, water dilutes any odor from the inside. Any foods you've eaten that are not really, they don't smell, like water dilutes accumulated waste, toxins in your system, purging that ugly smell out of you. Once you drink your water, your pores are always fresh. There is no room for that body odor. So that is the cheapest cheapest tip from all the tips I've shared with you today. Just make sure you're drinking lots and lots of water. That cleanses you. You equally would want to exfoliate your skin, that is, scrub your skin at least once every week. When there are dead skin cells on your skin, that converts to odor, right? Because you have dead skin, like dead skin. Dead skin is odor. So you want to scrub your skin all the time so you don't have dead skin, and before you know, one horrible odor is coming out of you. The dead skin closes your pores, and your skin doesn't breathe. Your skin doesn't breathe because of a lot of dead skin cells on your skin. So scrubbing your skin all the time cleanses your pores as well and leaves your skin always looking so fresh and So in conclusion, if you're not to follow any of the tips I shared with you today, make sure you follow just these two. Don't go to bed unfresh, with your mouth not brushed, with your body not cleaned. Make sure you shower and brush your mouth before going to bed. The other tips are just extra to make you feel cozy, like the scented moisturizer, the sprays are just to make you feel cozy, but these two are very important. Shower before going to bed. Water should be your friend. Shower before going to bed. Brush your mouth. Never carry that dirty mouth to bed, most especially if you have a partner. But you don't want to scare your partner away, trust me. Some men don't feel comfortable telling you are not smell fresh. They just run away from you. So don't suffocate somebody's son. You want to go to bed fresh, and that is so nice, not just for your man but to feel comfortable. And water as well, which is the cheapest thing in your house. Make sure you're making use of your water. Drink your water, and trust me, those are the basic tips I wanted to share with you, like basic tips you should do every night if you want to be that fresh girl and always smell fresh all day, every day, all night. Those are the secrets, guys. So I hope someone picked one or two of the tips I shared today. Share this video with your family and friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.